Soccer, a beautiful game. It has its roots in ancient China, but the modern game began in English streets. Neighboring towns would play each other, where a pig bladder would be carried to either end of the town. It was banned by the king for 300 years because of violence, but it was made a sport in the 16th century. It has been a part of the Olympics since 1900. It is the #1 sport in the world, played by all, loved by all. For many, it is their life, their passion, and their love. Soccer transcends most other things in the world. It is a beautiful game.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So I have some information to tell you about the Olympics and the event of soccer. All-time information here. So we got number 1, Hungary. 3 gold, 1 silver, 1 bronze. Number 2, we got Great Britain. 3 gold and no other medals. 3rd place, we have Argentina. 2 gold and 2 silver. Country to note would be Spain, who just recently won the World Cup in 2010, who was tied for 7th with Poland. And another country to note is our own United States of America, who is in 20th place and tied with Bulgaria. Some more information about the Olympic events. We have top goal scorers. In 1996, we have top goal scorer Hernan Crespo, who scored 6 goals in the Olympic event of soccer. In 2004, we have Carlos Tevez, who scored 8 goals. In 2008, we have Giuseppe Rossi, who scored 4. And the man with the most goals in the Olympics is Ernek Bene, who scored a total of 12.
Ladies and gentlemen of Mrs. Dominello's physics class, we're going to move on to the physics aspect of soccer in the Olympics. My friend Kyle will demonstrate how work and energy apply. Energy is a crucial concept of physics. Kyle here displays the kinetic energy of a ball in motion during the corner kick. Kinetic energy is simply the energy of motion. It can be calculated by using the following equation. K equals 1/2 mv squared, where mass is the mass of the ball and velocity is the initial velocity of the ball. Here's another angle. As soon as Kyle impacts the ball here, the ball has an initial kinetic energy value. For example, if the ball is struck at 10.6 meters per second, the ball weighs 0.45 kilograms, then the ball will have kinetic energy value of 25.3 joules. Note the unit of measure is joules.
For our second topic, we will be doing two-dimensional motion and how that applies to soccer. My friend Josh will be demonstrating.
Understanding two-dimensional motion allows you to calculate various things about an object, including its velocity, time, height, and displacement in the x direction. Using a series of these equations, we can calculate the initial velocity of the ball during the free kick. All it requires is a basic understanding of the variables involved and some algebra. For example, g is a gravitational constant, and Vyi is the velocity of the ball initial in the y direction. Understanding these simple concepts will allow you to calculate the initial velocity of the ball.
Well, it was just a dream, just a moment ago.
Yeah. Of course they lead. They have more medals than everyone else.
Yo.
Ernek Bene, who scored a total of 12. We're probably going to have to do that again.
Dun 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 dun.
Down, but don't let me fall. Don't let me fall. 'Cause I'm glad so very high that if the clouds were to drop me, then I'd fall out the sky. I don't really know why I'm here. I guess I'm just here for the ride. I swear it feels like I'm dreaming. It's vividly defined. Yeah, so call me whatever you want. Title me whatever you like. But let's get one thing straight. You know my name, so I run this town when I'm on